Wow. Nadsar. Pwede ko to. Mga dress ng unang panahon sa kanila. Dresses. Kids. Corset, yes, the corset. Para daw maging sexy. Ito yung inner dress bago pa magkaroon ng braja. Corset to. What is this for? Ayan. Petticoat. This is for?
To keep the shape of this.
Okay. Panlagay dun sa pambukol sa puwet. Ganyan. Swords. Linie siya.
Marynarce wojennej i miał też taką sporą kolekcję szabel. Później zostało to odznaczyć, bardzo wiele do przekazania przez rodzinę. No i teraz to było też jakoś uhonorować. Tak. On tam pewnie nie jedno widział.
1938.
This is the train driver suit.
This?
Yes.
Train driver suits pala yan. I thought it's a soldier. Train driver pala. Ito daw yung suits na yun. I wanna see the real. Okay, let's go. Oh, wow. Daming tangke. Look at this, oh. Machine gun.
Anti-craft, so.
Can sit there?
Yes, we can. So this is supposed to shoot you.
Oh, that's the...
Bardzo polecam Muzeum imienia Orła Białego.
Mga machine gun, iba't ibang klaseng machine gun, tsaka mga tangke. Wow, ang lalaki, grabe. Ayun, medyo bagong tangke na yun nandun.
Let's go. Take the hands on the.
This is a aircraft, airplane, soldier's airplane.
Yeah, they use it for transportation. Soldiers also.
And they're sitting here. Ne?
Okay, I'm gonna put the seatbelt on. I'm gonna take a picture.